and diamonds on my face. I still keep the party going up.